World Insane Job Part 3. A professional mourner is a person who is hired to attend a funeral and express grief on behalf of the deceased's family or friends. They may cry, wail, or otherwise express sorrow in a way that is culturally appropriate. Professional mourners are typically employed by families who want to make the funeral appear more well-attended or who do not have many close relatives or friends to attend. The job of a professional mourner is not without its challenges. They must be able to cry convincingly, even if they do not know the deceased personally. They must also be able to blend in with the other mourners and not draw attention to themselves. The average hourly rate for a professional mourner is between $20 and $50. However, salaries can vary depending on experience, location, and the type of funeral. If you are interested in becoming a professional mourner, there are a few things you can do to get started. First, research training programs in your area. Second, network with other professional mourners to learn more about the industry. Finally, start building your portfolio by attending funerals and practicing your skills. Here are some of the skills and qualities that are important for a professional mourner. Acting skills, emotional intelligence, ability to blend in, discretion, punctuality. If you are looking for a unique and challenging job, becoming a professional mourner may be a good option for you. Here are some of the reasons why people hire professional mourners: to increase the appearance of the deceased's popularity, to provide comfort and support to the grieving family, to help the family fulfill cultural or religious obligations, to relieve the family of the burden of planning and attending the funeral. Whether or not to hire a professional mourner is a personal decision. There is no right or wrong answer. Ultimately, the decision should be based on what the family feels is best